Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode. This is Building for Bali, episode number 13. Before we jump into this new episode, I just want to take a quick minute and give a shout out to my mother. Today is her birthday. Happy birthday, Fancy Nancy. I'm actually probably not going to drop this new episode till tomorrow, so I don't want it to seem belated, but today is her birthday. So again, happy birthday. Just give you a quick breakdown about today's episode before we jump into it. So in today's episode, I'm going to refinish an old bed I built 15, 16 years ago. I called a Hayworth. In fact, I'll show you an old photo from like 2003, 2004 right now. So yeah, that was the original Hayworth bed. I stained it to match a couple of nightstands that I had previous to making that bed. In today's episode, I'm actually going to refinish that entire bed frame, the headboard, the runners, and the footboard. I'm going to knock them down, age them out, and give them a kind of Barnwood, rustic look. Going to go through a couple processes to do that, a few hiccups along the way, which you'll see, but at the end of the day, I'm really proud of how it turned out. And this piece, along with everything else, is available for sale. You can purchase it pre the sale that I'm going to have, or you can purchase it at the pop-up sale I'm going to have here at the shop once everything settles down. So I hope you guys are all doing well and being safe out there. Thank you again for stopping by the channel and checking it out. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you're liking it. And if you got any comments, feel free to leave them below. Again, be safe out there, everyone. And I hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much. Bye. What's up, guys? Back at the shop. Always at the shop. Sean, Art and Crafted. 4:16 in the morning. Behind me is the first bed I made 17, 18 years ago. Just pulling it out, refinishing it. I think, like I said before, I'm gonna go to that that gray that I like, that gray, that aging that I'd make up, that concoction. I think that'll look good on this. So this is the footboard. I've got the runners over here. Headboard is next. That's the original color right there. Sanded out. Runners, I just did a veneer on plywood of oak. Fortunately, I did a thick veneer. Don't remember what kind of veneer, so I was able to sand out the finish I had on it. And yeah, so that's that. Alright guys, a little update here. To be honest with you, this was a bit heartbreaking and devastating. It's been, as you will see in all the time-lapse videos, hours. I mean, fucking hours, like a couple of days of hours. A bit of money as well. I mean, it wasn't cheap. Not a shit ton either, but it was enough to age out this old bed that I made. And I wanted to keep it this kind of gray tone, as you can see and have seen, but and frankly I knew better. This gray product I use is called Rubio Monocoat. Using the pure, it's got a bit of an amber hue to it, and I should have known better. I knew it was going to flip a little green into it and eliminate the gray. I should have gone with a gray tinted version of their product, and I fucked that up. So I'm just continuing forward. I got the front of the footboard, the headboard done. Now I got the back of the footboard and then the runners to do. And that's that. And I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna have two options. I can suck it up and just deal with it and it is what it is, or suck it up even more so and spend another day and a half sanding it all out. More money going gray, and the more money getting the Rubio gray product. So another like $500-600 and day and a half of sanding and shit. So anyway, that's that. But now I'm gonna get back to finishing the footboard and the runners. Man, I'm tired of this shit. I just want to get it done with and get to Bali. All right, thanks guys. Sorry, just had a little snack real quick. Anyway, just wanted to give everybody an update, or give you an update on where I'm at or what happened with this guest bed situation. So as I said earlier, I was quite devastated when I saw all that hard work with the gray action went for nothing, more or less. And everything turned because of the amber hue in the finished product. Everything turned a little bit greenish, which I kind of had a feeling was going to happen, but had my fingers and toes crossed. But anyway, so while peeling some paint, or tape rather, off the back side of the headboard, a little bit of the flat black paint that I had put on the perimeter piece peeled off, which just added fuel to the fire. But anyway, so I mixed up a real light black wash just to come in, some flat black paint and water, just watered it down. Frankly, it wasn't intentional. I just found the last pint of flat black I was using, and it was almost completely empty. A little bit of half dry paint at the bottom of it. Scooped a spoonful of that, threw it in some water, mixed it up, basically made a wash, and lightly brushed that on the area that got pulled up by the tape to paint it. I'm so sorry. And while doing that, I thought, you know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna wash this thing in a flat black, watered down wash. Try to eliminate that green as much as possible. To bring back some dark tones and grays and whatever. It's still drying, so it's a bit patchy, meaning that there's some swatches up and down. And that might be, I'm gonna have to do some light dumbing down, I think, on some of it. But I'll show you the final product so far, at least. From what it was before to what it is now, I'm actually, not from the original, but from after putting the finish coat on, from that greenish to now, I'm much happier with the product. And actually, you know, I put it in my house. But anyway, so here's this bed, refinished, redone with a black wash. And again, still a bit streaky because it's drying, but here's one with the better light. That thing's at a bit of an angle, but definitely got rid of a lot of the greens, kept that kind of dirty aged look, which I wanted. I'm feeling this is just slightly darker. I don't know, it's the lighting or what. Like this. Is it as dark? I don't know. And if this one is slightly darker, I'm gonna have to rock that one a little darker, see if I can take it out some more. But anyway, so yeah, this is the back side of it as well. Again, a bit streaky, but yeah, gives it a bit. I am happier with this than I was with the green previously. And here's the runners to match. So anyway, kind of MacGyvered it. A little bit of quick thinking, whatever. There's so much shit, it's ridiculous. But working in an art department out in LA for so many years, owning a set construction company, being an art director, production designer, having to build and paint and come up with shit right then and there. All these little tricks I learned, some on my own, a lot from old timers that showed me, but you can really get away with some stuff if you know what you're doing. Anyway, so, oh yeah, and I was so pissed with whatever. I didn't do the time lapse. I should have done the time lapse on the black wash, but I was just too pissed and focused. So, all right, guys, take care. Thanks for watching.